where it's coming out soon. It's a long video. So we were walking around a lot. We went to a pizza place, and then we went to Hot Mart. My dad surprised me. So let's open it. I got a Crying for Love. Labubu kind of. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really cute. I've been wanting it for a while. Let's open it. Peel. Okay, I need to close my. I don't know what's at the bottom. The sticker might be there. Okay. Fingers crossed I got the cat one. Look at the options. Which one did I get? 3, 2, 1. It's so cute! That's so cute! And it came with like a stand and a little black heart. It's so cute. Oh wait, there's a sticker. Oh, like something. Show it's like a card. Oh, okay. It's so cute. It's so fluffy. I love it. Like and subscribe.